Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can ask a question on Brainly by using your microphone. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Brainly and here you can see that we are at the S section, but at the top you have to click on the microphone option and it says that tap and ask it out loud. So you have to click on the microphone and one, oh, sorry, again, again. Which is the biggest sea? And here you will show the answers. What's the biggest sea in the world? Click on the answer. Answer Philippine Sea. Alright. What is the name of the world's biggest sea? To answer, the Pacific Ocean is the biggest sea in our world with an area, but the Pacific Ocean is an ocean. The largest sea in the world for the surface area is the Philippine Sea and part of the North Pacific Ocean. People often get confused regarding sea and ocean, but the fact is sea is a part of the ocean water. I think that this is the right answer. So this is how you can ask question by using your microphone. I hope that it was helpful for you. Bye bye.